At this moment, we assume that you are grade 4 students, taking week 5, which is, the objective is determine the missing terms in sequence of numbers, multiples of a number, or factors of a number. So, this is all about, it is a connection within, it is a connection of Ma'am Lisa's lesson and also Ma'am Daisy's lesson. Because we will be talking on odd numbers. Now, let us have an exercise. Skip counting by 2 from this. 20.
4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
Thank you, Ma'am Lizzie. Yeah. Ma'am Padilin, skip counting by 3.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 28, 26, 28, 24, 27,
30. Oh, that's. Skip counting by 5, Miss Dia.
10.
Skip counting by 2, by 5. What is the connection of that? Because sometimes probabilities, sequence terms in a sequence will be using skip counting. Also, it's using this one, odd numbers and even numbers. Those odd numbers are numbers that taken this morning by Ma'am DC, odd numbers and even numbers. So, the blue numbers are odd numbers and the red numbers are even numbers. Yes. Now, we are also talking about multiples and factors of a number because in determining sequence, determining terms, determining the missing terms in the sequence of a number, we will be using also multiples of the numbers, factors of the numbers. Now, look at this. Factors, multiples of a number. Multiples of a number, ang 8 times 2 becomes 16 times 2 times 2. So multiples of 8. 8 becomes 16, 16 becomes 4. So that is 8. Then 12, 24, 36, 48, so on and so forth. What is two numbers which will be multiplied and the answer is the number. Example 12. So, all of these numbers are factors of 12. If you multiply 12 times 1, the answer is 12. If you multiply 2 times 6, the answer is 12. If you multiply 3 times 4, the answer is 12. And that is what we call factors of 12. It is like also in 18. No? Those are factors of 18. Now, before we go to our lesson, let us define these terms. These words. First is term. Can you read this word? This is the meaning of the term.
An element of a
Portion of a series of sequences.
Terms is an element of a fraction, or proportion, or a series of, or of a series or a sequence. Now, the number sequence. The number sequence is a continuous or connected series. That is number sequence. These terms are the terms we are going to discuss to arrive at our lesson. Now, it is fill the missing shapes or number. Now, we are talking on sequence. We are talking on terms. The missing is term. And the row are the sequence. Now, if you try to lock the sequence, we can easily put the missing term. Yeah? First is square, then oval. Square, oval, square. What will be the next?
Oval.
Correct. Very good. That is oval. Then in the number 2, triangle, pentagon, circle.
Pentagon.
Triangle,
Pentagon.
circle. Then rectangle.
Pentagon.
That is the sequence, and we can tell what will be the term or the missing term. Next is number 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 18. Then circle, triangle, pentagon. What will be the missing term? Then triangle, pentagon, circle. If we try to insert the number, what will be the number will be on the circle that you say that the missing term?
12.
Very good, that is 12. And the last term,
21.
21. How do you discover the
Add
by
plus
adding 3 or skip counting 3? Okay. Now this last
Ingat ko ba add plus
Number.
ko rin di add plus ko din.
rectangle,
Add plus
circle,
6 na
rectangle, circle.
Nagdubli ako.
Oh no, rectangle, circle. Rectangle, circle, circle. Now, how about the number? In the first rectangle, which is missing, what will be the number? What will be the number in the top? Do not confuse. Stay on the rectangle. If you talk about circle, stay on the circle. So what will be the number here?
30.
It is it decreasing or increasing?
25.
Yes, it is 25. 25, 20, 15. Another the circle.
Increasing.
12,
18. 24. Ay, plus 8 na rin siya.
12,
Plus
16,
6. Plus 6 siya.
24, plus 6. So that is what we call the pattern, the sequence, the term, the missing terms. Next. Hey. Sequence of these things. How do we connect these things to our life situation today? First, wear face mask. Because if you go to New York City, you will be fined 1,500 pesos if you are caught not wearing face mask. Then, second, if you go to Prince Town, you cannot enter the first town without any face shield. So, then, in front of the door of the mall, of the store, establishment, there is a hand wash. Then, there is a foot bath. Then, you have that sanitizer. So, now, and that sequence of materials which is used for us, for safety of the people, of us, so we have that health protocols. Wear face mask, wear facial, regular hand washing, step on foot bath, use hand sanitizer, kay ang COVID-19 makapatay. Yes. Now, what are the missing terms of these materials? That is health protocols used by our government to protect people from the pandemic, which can kill more
55
millions
na, 55.
of people around today.
55 of 77.
Now, niya po ay mga
55,
chips.
77.
Na mga chips na ba? Lima ni siya ka chips. Mugtawad ko, I will call two viewers, participants, to paste what is sequence of terms. The missing terms will be, yan na ni,
Tries.
may I call Ma'am Dinita and Ma'am Adelaide. Yan na ni.
55.
Naniti lang, naniti. Ginaipilit sa ano yun. Doon lang isip. Dito pilit niya. Yeah. Ma'am kalendar.
Nagamit din.
What will be the last term? Now, there is also, in number 2, there are numbers. We can easily determine what will be the missing terms. Another two pupils, si Ma'am B o si Ma'am B. Ma'am D, Ma'am B. Wow, Ma'am B, Ma'am B. Look for the missing terms here. Number 2. Dara. Is it correct? Face mask, face shield, hand washing, pot bath, sanitizer. Face mask, face shield, hand washing, pot bath, sanitizer. Very good. Next, in the number sequence. 22, 33, 44, maybe 55, 66, the next. So surely it is 55, and the next is 77. So that is skip counting. Next. How did you get your answer? Maybe you are following the sequence. Maybe you analyze. Maybe you can get the answer. And actually, you can see the flow of the sequence, and you can easily put the missing terms. Now, let us read this situation. Mr. William Floor presented this patterns to his math class. Please read, Ma'am Liza. Can you see it? Can you see it?
8, 3, 6, 9, and blank.
Ma'am Gertie, can you see it little bit? Can you read it?
Okay, letter B, 4, 8, 12, 16, and blank.
Now, what do you think are the missing terms of A and B? The little four. 3, 6, 9, by speed counting by 3, you can answer is the missing term, it is 12. And in the little bit, 4, 8, 12, 16, what will be the next? 20, because it is speed counting by 4. Okay. Now, here is another example of a number sequence. It becomes harder. 45, 37, 29, missing number also missing number, and we have the last term. So this numbers class, this whole sentence is what we call the number sequence. And the numbers, which is placed on that sequence is what we call terms.
Okay.
Terms. So in the blank is called missing terms. Also in the
Minus
blank,
8.
missing terms. So what will be the missing terms?
Minus 8.
Now, in our explanation, the missing,
21.
find the missing terms. The sequence of the number is decreasing order. But I'll get the difference between 45 and 37.
12.
So what is the difference between 45
Ay,
and
dili.
37?
13.
It's 8.
Sure.
But like
5.
in like manner with 37 and
13
29.
minus 8. 5.
So the difference is 8.
8.
The missing terms are 21 and 13. Because how? I'm saying we are having to subtract, find the difference.
37
Oh.
is 29.
Okay, 27.
37
That the difference is 8. Okay.
1, 3, 7.
So the difference is 8. The missing terms are 21 and 13. Since 13 is 8 more than the last term, which is 5. So minus 1 na siya sa 8. We always minus 8, then we have the last term. Next. Now, here, it's getting harder. Get the difference, the consecutive terms. Take note that as the number increases, the difference is multiplied by the common factors of each term, which is 2. So, the difference between 1 and 3 is multiplied by 2. So 1 by 1, 2. The difference is multiplied by 2. 2 times 3 equals 4. Add 4 to 3, it will become 7. Then 7, 4 times 2 equals 8. 8 plus 7 equals 15. 8 times 2, 16. So your pattern is times 2. Then addition. 8 times 2, 16. 16 plus 15, 31. 16 times 2 equals 32. 32 plus 31 equals 63. Can we answer the last term? Sige. What will be the last term?
127.
So, 32 times 2 equals 64. 64 plus 63 equals 127. Very good. Correct. So that is the procedure how to find. But it is not only like that. It varies according to the terms which will be used. Now this one. Find the missing terms in the following expression. So consider the squares only and consider circles only. So that you will not be confused. So 2, 6, 30, 210. What will be the next? What will be the missing term? What does it do? What does the sentence do? What does the sequence do? Now 2, 6, then 30. So 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 5, 30. 30 times 5, 30 times 7, 210. What numbers are the terms using? It uses skip counting of 3 and multiply. Skip counting no? Add number. Add number, no? 3, 5, 7, the next is 9. So 210 times 9 equals 1,890. Then this one. 2. 2, 1, then 2, then 8. So, 1 times 2 equals 2, 2 times 2 equals 8, 8 times 8, 8 times 6, no, 2, 4, 2, 4, 6. Using multiples of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8. So, you can find that, you can get the answer. 2, then 2 times 4 equals 8, 8 times 6 equals 48, 48 times 8 equals 348. That one.